Hey designers, if you want to create character animations like this, such as a person waving or other cute, small animations, let's get to know how it's done. First, I will import a transparent PNG. Let's import it by dragging and dropping it onto the timeline. All the magic will be done using the Puppet Position Pin tool. Select this tool, or use the shortcut Ctrl+P to activate it. We want to create a wave animation, focusing on the upper area of this little boy. Using the Puppet tool, click on the joint area between the face and the neck. This will auto-trace the area and generate a keyframe. To view the keyframe, press U. You'll see it listed as Puppet Pin 1. Next, create another pin by clicking here, and finally, click on the hand joint to place the last pin. Now, we are ready to animate. To start the animation, move 10 frames forward. The shortcut key for moving 10 frames forward is Ctrl+Shift+right arrow key. Let's change its position. Select pin 2 and press P to see the position options for this pin. Now, change its position. Lastly, select pin 3, which controls the palm, and change its position as well. Once this is done, preview the animation. We want the palm animation to repeat as if it is waving. By pressing the Alt key on your keyboard, click on the stopwatch next to the position. Here, we will apply an expression. Right loop out, ping pong. This will make the animation continue. Let's preview the animation. If you think the boy's body is moving weirdly, it's because we haven't stabilized it. To fix this, we need another pin at the center of the boy to make it stable. Take the puppet tool and click on the waist area. Now, when you preview the animation, you'll see that the weird movement is gone and the boy is only waving. If you want more tutorials like this, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.